Welcome back to Sarah and Leo English. Today is a very special episode because, look what I found.
Wait. What is that? That looks like my old photo album. Sarah, where did you get that? Give it to me.
No way. Leo, look at this photo. Is this you? You look like a little potato with legs.
Che mat za ho, oh no. Please don't look. That is me when I is 5 years old. I have very fat cheeks.
You mean you had very fat cheeks? And look at your hair. It's a bowl cut. Did your mom cut your hair with a bowl?
Yes. My mom is my barber. It was a tragedy. But look, I am very cute, right? I smile a lot.
Leo, you are making grammar mistakes again. You said I am very cute and I smile. But this is the past.
Oh. I forget. Past tense is hard. I used to be cute. I was cute. My brain is confused.
Don't worry. Talking about childhood is the best way to practice the past simple and used to. Let's open this album and fix your English.
Okay. But please promise not to laugh at my naked baby photo.
I promise nothing. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the first mistake. You said I am cute. For the past, we simply use was or were.
So, I was cute. I was a potato.
Exactly. But the most important phrase for childhood is used to. We use used to for habits in the past that are not true anymore.
Like. I used to have a bowl cut.
Yes. Because now you have cool hair. You don't have a bowl cut anymore. So, used to implies a change.
I understand. I used to cry a lot. But now I am a big strong man.
Coy, sure, Leo. A big strong man who is afraid of spiders. Anyway, let's practice with the shadowing technique. Let's describe how you looked. Listen to the pronunciation of used to. It sounds like used-to. Used-to.
Used-to. Okay.
Repeat after me. I used to have.
I used to have.
Really short hair.
Really short hair.
Full sentence. I used to have really short hair.
I used to have really short hair.
Now about your cheeks. I used to be.
I used to be.
A bit chubby.
A bit chubby.
Full sentence. I used to be a bit chubby.
I used to be a bit chubby.
Chubby is a polite way to say fat for children. It means cute and soft.
Yes. My grandma loved my chubby cheeks.
One more about personality. I used to be.
I used to be.
Very naughty.
Very naughty.
Full sentence. I used to be very naughty.
I used to be very naughty.
Naughty means you behaved badly, but in a funny, childish way. Now, let's talk about what you did for fun. Leo, look at this photo. You are hiding behind a tree.
Ah, yes. My favorite game.
In English, we call it hide and seek. Let's practice. I used to play.
I used to play.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
With my cousins.
With my cousins.
Full sentence. I used to play hide and seek with my cousins.
I used to play hide and seek with my cousins.
What about this one? You were jumping on boxes?
That is hopscotch. I was the champion of hopscotch.
Champion? Wow. Listen. We would always.
We would always.
Play hopscotch.
Play hopscotch.
During recess.
During recess.
Full sentence. We would always play hopscotch during recess.
We would always play hopscotch during recess.
Note, would can also be used like used to for repeated actions in the past.
Got it. Used to and would.
Now, things you hated. Leo, look at this photo. You are crying in front of a plate of broccoli.
I hated broccoli. It tasted like green trees.
To make use to negative, we say didn't use to. Pay attention, no D in use. Didn't use to.
Didn't used to. Okay.
Let's practice. I didn't use to.
I didn't used to.
Like vegetables.
Like vegetables.
Full sentence. I didn't used to like vegetables.
I didn't used to like vegetables.
But now you like them?
Yes. Now I love broccoli.
Another one. I didn't used to.
I didn't used to.
Take naps.
Take naps.
Full sentence. I didn't used to take naps.
I didn't used to take naps.
And now?
Now. Naps are my favorite hobby. I wish I could take a nap right now.
Focus, Leo. No sleeping. We are at the final step. We will look at one last photo, and you have to describe it perfectly using used to, past simple, and would.
Okay. Pick a good one. Don't pick the naked one.
Fine. Look at this one. You are on a bicycle, wearing a superhero cape. Tell me about this memory.
Hangjong 2 Tin, okay. This is a great photo. I was 7 years old.
Good start. I
used to love Superman. He was my hero. I used to wear that red cape every single day. Even to school.
Even to school? Did the teachers get angry?
No, they thought I was funny. In the afternoons, I would ride my bike around the neighborhood. I pretended I was flying.
Excellent use of would. I would ride my bike. And what about the bike?
It was my favorite toy. I didn't used to have an iPad or a phone. I just had my bike and my imagination.
That sounds wonderful, Leo. A true childhood. I didn't used to have a phone. Perfect grammar.
I miss those days. Life was simple. No bills, no traffic, just flying on a bike.
It is nice to look back, isn't it? Listeners, talking about childhood memories is a great way to connect with people.
Yes. And don't be afraid of your old photos. Even if you have a bowl cut like me.
Remember the key grammar. I used to for past habits, I was for past states, and I would for repeated actions.
Practice these phrases, and share your childhood memories in the comments below. Did you used to be naughty?
I bet they were. Thanks for listening to Sarah and Leo English. See you next time.
Goodbye. I am going to buy a superhero cape now. Bye.